This Morse code readout device is an accessory device designed to operate off the output terminals of a communication receiver when receiving messages which have been automatically transmitted in Morse code. It presents each letter visually immediately after it is received. Dots and dashes are converted into letters and numbers on this 16-stroke backlighted display. The device is powered by 4 AA-type rechargeable batteries. The electronics consist of 7 integrated circuits, 75 transistor circuits, and a 350 diode matrix. The complete unit weighs only 15 ounces and is 10.5 cubic inches in volume. This small device now makes it possible for untrained personnel to receive messages in Morse code and also makes possible the use of continuous wave telegraphy when conditions prevent the use of voice radio. The earphone is used for initial tuning and to monitor the signal to be sure that it is not being lost during reception. The readout device is designed to work off the radio output of a small field-type receiver such as this. It displays all numbers from 0 to 9 as well as the letters of the alphabet. The only control is an on-off switch. The readout device can also operate off the audio output of a larger communication receiver such as this R390. It has the capability to operate without error under conditions where the signal-to-noise ratio does not exceed 3 decibels. Since this device operates from an audio signal, it may also be used to translate Morse-coded information stored on magnetic tape. Engineer and service tests on the Morse code readout device will begin sometime in 1965.